Namaste. As we have already learned about Tridosha Vriddhi Lakshanas as well as Kshaya Lakshanas, now let us understand the Tridosha Sthanas. Acharya Vagbhata said, Pakvashayakati sakthi shrotrasthi sparshanendriyam sthanam vatasya tatrapi pakvadhanam visheshatah. That means there are Pakvashayadi 6 sthanas mentioned for Vata. So Pakvashaya is being given a lot of importance among the 6 sthanas. We'll see what is the importance of Pakvashaya and what is the meaning of Pakvashaya. Annam Pakvam Adhiyate, that means that which holds the Pakva Anna. That particular location or that particular sthana is called as Pakvashaya. That which holds on to the Pakva Anna is called as Pakvashaya. To be precise, the sthana of Pakvashaya is considered as Nabhe Radaha Pakva Anna Sthanam. So there is a particular location, the Acharya has mentioned it as Nabhe Adaha, that is below the Nabhi region is considered as Pakvashaya or Pakvanna Sthana. Along with Pakvashaya, there are other Vata Sthanas as well. So among them, Kati, that is Shronihi or pelvic region, Sakthi, that is Uru, Vangshanadyangushtantam is considered, Shrotra, that is Karnam, Asthi is having Ashraya Shri Bhava with Vata, so it is much obvious. Next is Parshanendriyam, that is Tvacha. So these are said to be different Vatasthanas. Even though there are different Vatasthanas, Pakvashaya is considered to be very significant among all of these. Why is it so? It is mentioned that Sakala Sharira Vyapitve Api, even though Vata is present in the whole Sharira, Pakvashaya is considered to be very specific or significant. Why? Why? Because in Pakvashaya it stays for some long time, or it's like wherever it goes, wherever it spreads, wherever it moves in the body, at last it comes and stays in Pakvashaya. So that is why Pakvashaya is considered to be the specific or Vishesha Vata Sthana. Next we'll learn about Pitta Sthana. Acharya Vagbhata said, Nabhiramashaya svedo lasikarudiram rasah driksparshanam cha pittasya nabhiratra visheshatah. There are different sthanas of Pitta. Among them, Nabhi is considered as the first and Pradhana Sthana. Why is it considered as Vishesha Sthana? Because Pitta stays in the Nabhi Sthana for a little longer. So along with that, there are other sthanas. What are those? We'll see one by one. So first one is Amashayaha, that is Nabhe Urdhvam Apakvanna Sthanam. So there is a particular location which is exactly given as it is located Urdhva or above the Nabhi region, which is holding on to Apakva Anna. Next is Lasika. Lasika is Jalasadrishi. It is as similar as that of Jala. Looks like Jala. Or Syad Rasamalaha Jalaprayas Tvagashrayaha. It is almost similar as that of Jala or water. Or it is also considered to be the Rasamala which is residing in Tvak. Next is Svedaha. It is understood Svedaha. Rudhiram, that is Rakta. Rasaha, it is clearly understood Rasaha. Drik, that is Chakshu. Sparshanam, that is Sparshanendriya or Tvak. So when we learn all these sthanas, we get a doubt saying that Sparshanendriya is also said as Vatasthana. Now they are saying that Sparshanendriya as Pittasthana as well. So Acharya Arunadatta gives this clarity saying that Vatasakitvad Agnehe. That is, Vatasakaha hi Agnihi Pittam cha Vahniriti. That is, Vata is a friend of Agni, or it boosts the Agni. When it comes in contact with the Agni, it will boost the Agni, or the qualities of Agni will be increased. Also, Agni is similar to Pitta in some qualities. So, Sparshanendriya is also considered as the Pitta Sthana, as well as Vata Sthana both. Next, we'll learn about Kapha Sthanas. Acharya Vagbhata said, Urah Kanthashirah Kloma Parvanyamashayurasah Medo Ghranam cha Jihva cha Kaphasya Sutaramurah. Along with Urasthana as the Vishesha Sthana of Kapha, there are other sthanas of Kapha as well. Let us see those sthanas one by one. First one is Kantha, Shiras, Klomaha. What do you mean by Kloma? That is Udakavahi Sroto Moolam. The Sroto Moola of Udakavaha Srotas or Pipasa Sthanam we can consider. Or Hriddakshinato Mamsa Grantihi. Or there is a Mamsa Granthi which is present right exactly beside Hridaya. So that can be considered as Kloma. Parvani, that is Sandhayaha, small sandhis can be considered as Kapasthana. Amashayaha, Apakvanna Sthana, Nabherurdhvam Apakvanna Sthana. So that which is located above the Nabhi Pradesha, which is holding on to the Apakva Anna, is also considered as Kapasthana. Rasaha, it is Rasadhatu. Medaha, that is Medo Dhatu, which is having the Ashriya Shri Bhava with Kapha. Ghranam, that is Nasa. Jihva, that is Jihvendriya. So these are considered as Kaphasthana. Even though there are different Kaphasthanas, Urapradesha or Vakshaha is considered to be the Vishesha Sthana of Kapha. Now that we have already learnt about Tridosha Sthanas, now what is the necessity of understanding these sthanas? What is the significance of these sthanas in clinical practice? So when we see the lakshanas in the rogi, we will be able to see the lakshanas in a particular sthanas. So by understanding these sthanas, we will be able to understand the dosha which is behind that particular lakshana. Directly or indirectly, there is a presence of the doshas in these particular sthanas. That was all about Tridosha Sthanas. Namaste.